Hi all, once again welcome to computer class. In the last video we studied how to open MS Word, how to format a paragraph, then how to insert a picture. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss how to set page size, page orientation, margin, etc. Then last we will discuss how to format a page. Okay, are you ready? Before taking the printout, you should have to set the page size. For that, what you have to do? For that, first you have to click on the page layout tab. Okay. Then can you see page setup group? Yes. From there, you select size. Okay. Clear? Under the size, you can see a small arrow. You click there and from this list, you can select the page size. Okay. Here I select A4. Clear? Okay. Next, you have to set the page orientation. Do you know what is page orientation? Yes. Page orientation is a direction in which a document is displayed or printed. Okay. Two types of orientations are there. First one is portrait and second one is landscape. Okay. For set the page orientation, you have to click on the page layout tab. Okay. After that, from the page setup group, you select the orientation. Can you see a small arrow under that orientation? Yes. You click there and from the list, you select the orientation that you want. If you select portrait, what happened? Yes, the page will be set vertically. Okay. If you select landscape, what happened? The page will be arranged horizontally. Clear? Page orientation clear? Two types of orientations are the portrait and landscape. Okay? Page orientation clear? Two types of orientations are the portrait and landscape. Okay. If you select portrait, what happened? If you select portrait, what happened? Yes, the page will be set vertically. Okay, you look at the screen. Now the page is set vertically. Okay, if you select landscape, what happened? Yes, the page will be arranged horizontally. Clear? After set the page size and orientation, you should have to select the margin or you have to set the width of the margin. Clear? For that, again you have to click on the page layout tab. Then from the page setup group, click the margins. Okay, you can see a small arrow under that margins. You click there and from the list you can select the margin that you want. Okay, if we select narrow, what happened? Yes, its width will be very small. Okay, clear? Did you notice the margin? It is very small. Okay, its width is very less. Okay, if you select wide, what happened? Yes, the width of the margin increased. Did you notice? I hope the margin is clear. Yes or no? Now I hope all of you know how to set page size, orientation, then margins. Okay? Now I am going to explain how to format a page. Okay, for that I have to click on the page layout tab. Then from the page background group, I can change the page color and page border. Okay, now I am going to change the page color. For that, first I have to click on the page layout tab. Then from the page background group, click on the page color icon. Can you see a small arrow under that icon? Yes, you click there and from this list you select the color that you want. Here I select yellow color. Okay? Clear? Now my page became yellow. Okay. Next I am going to change my page border or now I am going to set my page border. Okay. For that I have to click on the page layout tab. Then from the page background group, I have to click on the page borders icon. Okay. Then from this sheet, I can change the style, color and width of the border. Okay. First, I am going to change the style. Then after that, I change the color of the border. Here I select green. Okay. Then from the width, I can set the width of the border. Okay. After selecting style, color and width, you have to click on the OK. Then our border will set. Okay. Then one more point is you click on the page border. Can you see art here? Okay. From this art, you will get different patterns for the border. Okay. Clear? Here I select this pattern. After select the art, you click OK. Clear? Yes, then our border will set like this. Clear? Next, I am going to explain about word art option. Do you know what is word art option? Yes, it is used for make the title attractive. Okay, for that, first you have to click the place where you want to insert the title. Okay, then you click on the insert tab. After that, can you see text group? Yes, from this text group, you select the word art. Okay, then you will get this list. From this list, you select the style that you want. Okay, yes. Then you will get this window. Here, can you see your text here? Yes. You delete that message and type your title. Okay. Here I am going to type paragraph formatting. Okay. Okay. After that, if you want, you can change the font from here. Okay. From this list, if you want, you can change the font. Or if you want, you can change the size of the title. Okay, from this list, you can change the size of the title. Then if you want, you can make it as bold or italic. Okay. Anyway, after doing this, click OK. Okay. Then your title will set. Clear? Now I hope all of you understood how to format a page and how to set the page size, page orientation, etc. Is that all?